gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
This is an early unboxing of the Vivo X Fold 6, which is officially set to launch on June 26th. Many people have already seen this design before, but a foldable phone combined with a camera module that looks like something from a variety show is probably a first for most of us. We managed to get our hands on the Vivo X Fold 6 as quickly as possible, so without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the unboxing.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
This unit comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Wait a second, is that a Type-C port? Inside the box, we get the charging adapter, a charging cable, and a protective case. Interestingly, it's a hard shell case. Wow, the texture feels really nice in hand. Blue, and here is the phone itself. Let's peel off the protective layer and take a closer look. This is the overall design of the device. Now let's check out the side profile. So this is how it looks before unfolding. The flatness looks very impressive. I think Vivo has done a great job here. Now let's unfold the device for the very first time. Wow, this blue color is stunning. Its official name is Blue Hole. The finish has a premium texture, and the overall look features a gradient effect where the blue gradually becomes deeper from bottom to top, creating a deep ocean-inspired appearance. The shade of blue is quite rich, and honestly, I haven't seen a similar color on other devices before. It looks really beautiful. There are also 2 additional color options, Silver Lake and Midnight, both featuring fiberglass material. The version we have here is Blue Hole, which uses a glass finish. It feels incredibly smooth to the touch and gives off a cool, refreshing sensation. The camera bump does protrude slightly and uses a dual module design. The phone features a triple camera setup consisting of a periscope telephoto lens, an ultra-wide camera, and the main camera. In the upper left corner, there appears to be a laser autofocus sensor along with an infrared remote control. The 2 flash units are separated as well. At the top, there's an independent speaker, which works together with the bottom speaker to create a stereo sound experience. You can also spot multiple microphones, 4 in total, which suggests strong video recording and audio capture capabilities. The frame itself is made of metal. One of the advantages of foldable phones is that all the buttons remain on the same side when the phone is folded. This separate button is likely the A button, while below it you'll find the volume rocker and power button. The power button also appears to double as a capacitive fingerprint scanner. Vivo's once famous dual-access fingerprint system for both the inner and outer displays now seems to have become a thing of the past. Which unlocking method do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. On the front, the phone adopts this year's popular large rounded corner design, with all 4 corners featuring a softer curve. Compared to the sharper right angle edges of the previous generation, the Vivo X Fold 6 feels much more comfortable and visually pleasing.
Once unfolded, the inner display features evenly sized bezels on all 4 sides, creating a very balanced look. The front-facing camera is positioned in the upper right corner, and honestly, it does appear a little larger than usual. On the left side, there's also a light sensor, and it's noticeable even when viewing the phone from an angle. The phone can remain suspended when folded at around 90 degrees. Even when opening it outward, it can still hold that position. It starts to spring back at roughly 130 degrees. Now, if you fold it inward, let's see. Yes, it can do that as well, although there's not much practical use for it. Overall, the folding range is quite wide, and the hinge offers excellent damping with a premium feel. The included protective case is surprisingly well crafted. It uses a leather-like material with a diamond-textured pattern, and the color perfectly matches the phone's back panel. Once installed, it feels very comfortable in the hand and offers a nice grip. One great thing about this case is that it completely covers the camera module, so you won't have to worry about scratching the lenses when placing the phone on a table. The device also comes with a teleconverter accessory kit. This is mainly designed for attaching external self-propelled scopes.
First, attach the lens adapter ring, then twist the teleconverter into place, and suddenly you've got what looks like a folding mini missile. We gave it a try ourselves, and it works with both the older self-propelled scope and the newer JR self-propelled scope. Vivo is actually the first brand to bring support for this type of self-propelled scope to a large foldable device. According to official information, Vivo has once again decided not to use a Snapdragon chipset in the Vivo X Fold 6. Instead, it features the Dimensity 9500 Super Edition SoC. This chip was deeply co-developed by Vivo and MediaTek, delivering a massive 111% improvement in NPU performance while reducing power consumption by 56%. In addition, Vivo has specially designed the Orion OS 6 Fold system specifically for foldable devices. Based on the official promotional materials, its AA Atomic Workbench has been upgraded, allowing up to 5 tasks to run simultaneously on a single screen. The system also includes the recently popular Raising Lobsters feature, while further enhancing phone-to-computer integration, which sounds incredibly exciting. Unfortunately, I can't go into more detail or demonstrate these features just yet. Once the phone officially launches, I'll bring you a much more detailed review. If you're interested in the Vivo X Fold 6 and want more tech content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and become part of our tech community. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!